Alright, so today's video, I'm gonna try caviar on Emirates first class for the first time. So I had to record this historical moment because this is some real rich people shit. So yeah, let's give it a shot. So there's so much of these little side plates. I don't even know what to do with them. Maybe you squeeze lemon on some of this? Actually, I should try it with completely raw first. Let's see. It's fishy, it's salty. It's alright. Add a bit of lemon to this. And then we got these cute little pancakes. So I'm gonna get this. Spread this out. And let's see how this tastes. Maybe grab some of this cream. What is this? Oh, it's like yogurt or creme fraiche or something. Quite like this, so I'm gonna grab some more of this. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, that is very nice. That is good. That is some good stuff. Mozzarella, whatever this thing is. I could get used to this. So to fly first class all the time, I basically need to 2-3x what I'm currently making right now in cash flow. Basically just get to, I think if I was making $200,000-$300,000 a month net, I would fly first class all the time, or most times. I probably wouldn't do economy anymore. This is pretty nice. This is actually pretty nice. Can you believe I got 20 hours of this stuff? You know, when you pay $4,000 for an experience, best believe I'm gonna try to enjoy this. Ugh. I was literally thinking, before I boarded this flight, I was like, damn, like the 6-year-old kid that came from China to London in economy, and then from London to Dubai in business, and now Cape Town to Bali in first. What a moment. Very cool. Blessed to be able to experience this. Like, it's insane. That was good. I don't think I can eat too much of it though, because I think if I do, I'd get heartburn. It is very salty. So we got some focaccia with, just grab the little butter knife. We're gonna butter some focaccia and then dip it in the olive oil and balsamic mix and add some caviar. I could get used to this. Can you believe that in 5 years, maybe 10, I don't know, I'll probably be doing this in a private jet instead of first class? Crazy. Oh no, my coffee spilled. That wasn't the wisest decision. Got it all over my sock. Whatever. That's the one thing I really like about myself. I don't have a bad temper. It's very difficult for something to piss me off. Very difficult. So one of the things I was thinking about is like, we can manifest traits in ourselves if we just positively reinforce them. So one of the things that I like about myself is that I don't get angry easily, right? So when a situation like pisses me off a little bit, I always say to myself, I'm not someone that's easily angered. So therefore, I calm myself down much easier, you know? It's very interesting because then you can also manifest traits like hard work, honesty, integrity, etc. Yeah, I don't know why I brought that up. I just thought it was kind of interesting. So let's try some biscuit. What is this, like fried bread slices or dry bread, really dry bread. So grab some of this fish eggs. Not bad. It ain't bad. I f with this. Who would have thought, man? There's a very specific picture I have on my Snapchat story. Not on my Snapchat story, sorry. In my Snapchat memories. I'll scroll back all the way down to when would this be? It'll be a while ago. From like 2016, I think, when I got really fat after my trip to China. And there's a photo of me, my mum, and I think my little brother on an airplane coming back from China. I look like a fat bro. These Snapchat memories are wild, man. Oh, there you go. Look at this guy. I think the picture's a little bit cropped, but this was me literally like maybe like 7 years ago in economy with my mum and my little brother. Now in first class, baby. Man, times change, eh? Eating caviar. So basically for the next 7 hours, I have a bunch of work to do, and I'm so excited to be able to like just get to do it in like first class. And sick. You guys have to understand, I did not come from this. This is foreign as to me, you know? I'm sure I'm gonna get like hedonically adapted to this in the next couple of years, but for now, this is pretty mind-blowing to me. Well, yeah. Wow. Very cool. The thing about the older planes that kind of suck is that they don't have showers. So my hair's a little bit greasy. I would have loved to take a shower, but from Dubai to Bali, that flight will have a shower. So gonna get showered up there. But I think I'll be mad tired as well. But you know, whatever. So yeah, that was my experience from having a little bit of caviar. I'll see you guys around.